Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, Copilot Vision is supposed to analyze what's on your screen and answer questions about it. But sometimes it just sits there, grayed out, or gives you a vague not available for this page error. Vision is currently not available across all browsers. Microsoft has restricted this feature to Edge users for now. If you are using Chrome or Firefox, this is likely the cause. So what you gonna do? Basically go and use the Microsoft Edge browser. Copilot Vision is a feature integrated with the Edge browser to read web pages and PDFs. If you are using Chrome, open Copilot inside Edge instead. So as you see here, I'm using Edge and I can easily access Copilot from here. Summaries, page, chat, talk to Copilot, chat, tab, whatsoever. There is many options that you can use on Microsoft Edge. Then grant the correct permissions. If you are in the Edge and it still says cannot read page, you likely deny the screen read permission during the initial pop-up. Go to your Edge privacy settings and ensure that such access to read and change data is allowed for the Copilot link. Also restrict to standard documents. Vision doesn't process video files or any complex web apps. It reads the text from PDFs, static web pages. So if you are trying to analyze a video frame or a web page, the feature will totally fail. So basically I would say that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.